Hi all, today I am going to tell you how to replace controller card in ticker display. Before replace that controller card, let me introduce about controller card. This is a controller card and this person is FRC locker, this person is serial connection and this person is DC socket. This tool is used to open DC socket and this tool is used to open back side of the ticker display. Now look at the ticker. As you are looking, only half percent of the ticker is working fine and remaining half percent is not working. So it's due to faulty in controller card. Now I am going to replace controller card in the ticker. This is a controller card. Firstly, power of the ticker. Now open back side of the ticker, back cover of the ticker. As you are looking, our guy Mr. Bhanu is opening back panel of the ticker to replace controller card. Do fast. After opening back portion of the ticker, you can see this image. This is a controller card and now I am going to replace it. This is faulty controller card and this is working controller card. So I am going to replace faulty controller card with new one. Replace it. Firstly open FRC cable, this, then serial connection, this. Now remove wire from the DC socket. Remove controller card from back side of the ticker. Now this is working controller card and see how to replace it and what's its connection with power supply and FRC locker. Now it's a connection in DC socket. Look how to connect DC wire from DC socket. Now connect a serial cable, serial wire and FRC locker at last. Finally the connection of controller card finished. Now I'm going to switch on the power. Wait for a moment. Now as you are looking on the ticker, it's working fine after replacing new controller card and the whole length of the ticker is displaying data. Now switch off the power and fit back panel of the ticker to the ticker.
इतना थोड़ी दिखाना होता है इसमें। क्या क्या दिखा रहे हैं? अरे नहीं, एक इसको यहाँ लगाना था, एक वहाँ लगाना।
Thank you for watching. For more detail, go to www.photonplay.com. Subscribe and like. Thank you.